how to use Healthspring Flex card on Walmart.com. Open up the website and then we're just going to use the search bar for Healthspring Flex card items. This is going to display a bunch of items which are eligible for this benefits card. For example, let's do this wrist brace. You want to click on it and then you will just add it to your cart here. Once you have it added, we can view the cart. Now, in order for this to be accepted, as with your card, you will need to sign into your account. Then you will go into payment methods and you will need to add the benefits card. Or from this field here, where it says your total, you should see an option to add a benefits card. And once you fill out your Healthspring Flex card information, then it is gonna apply the discount. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.